Hello children, in today's video we are going to see about the properties of subtraction and checking subtraction using addition. Now let's go inside our first topic, properties of subtraction. Property of 1. If 1 is subtracted from a number, then the difference is the predecessor of the number. For example, 5 minus 1. Here we have 5 unicorns. Out of it, 1 unicorn is going to its magical world. So how many unicorns are left? 4. Yes, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, which is the predecessor of the number. Property of 0. If 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference of the number is itself. For example, 8 minus 0. Here we have 8 airplanes which have not left their terminals since the restrictions imposed by the government. So, how many airplanes do you think are left now? Yes, it's 8. The number itself. Subtraction of a number from itself. If a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 4 minus 4. Here we have 4 monkeys and a bunch of bananas. So, how many monkeys do you think will remain? Yes, it's 0. So when you subtract a number from itself, the result is 0. Example 54,443 minus 0. So according to the property of 0, when you subtract a number with 0, you will get the same number as the answer. So the answer is 54,443. Second sum, 1,65,538 minus 1. So according to the property of 1, when you subtract any number with 1, you will get the predecessor of the number as the answer. So the answer is 1,65,537. Third sum, 37,999 minus 37,999. According to the property of subtraction by itself, if a number is subtracted by itself, the result will be 0. So on both the sides we are having the same number. So the answer is 0. Exercise 2.5. Fill in the blanks. First sum, 65,432 minus 0. So according to property of 0, when you subtract any number with 0, you will get the same number as the answer. So the answer is 65,432. 1,25,126 minus 1. So property of 1, when you subtract 1 from any number, then you will get the predecessor of that number. So predecessor of this number is 1,25,125. 22,567 minus 22,567. Both the numbers are same. So when you subtract, you will get 0 as the answer. 45,623 minus what gives 45,623. So both the sides, the numbers are same. So what has to come here? 0. So when you subtract 0 from this number, you will get the same number as the answer. Now, when you subtract 88,373 from some number, you will get 0 as the answer. So, what has to come here? The answer is 88,373. Our next topic is checking subtraction using addition. We can check subtraction with the help of addition. If the sum of the subtrahend and the difference gives the minuend, then the subtraction is done correctly. So let's give a try with the help of an example sum. So let's start subtracting first. The digits in the ones place is 4 minus 4 is 0. Now in tens place we have 3 and 5. 3 is the smaller number, so let us borrow from hundreds. So 6 becomes 5, 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 5 will give you 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 4. So it's not possible. So we have to borrow from the 10,000s position. So 7 becomes 6 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. So let's check it. But how are we going to check? Yes, by writing the difference as the first addend, the subtrahend as the second addend, and then we will find the sum and check whether the minuend and the sum are the same. So let's try. So the difference will be written first. 4, 9, 2, 8, 0. And the subtrahend comes next. 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. So let's add now. 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 to the carryover. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1 to the carryover. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 73,634. So see here 73,634. So we have checked the subtraction. Exercise 2.6. Find the difference and check your answer. So first let's find the difference. 1's place 4 minus 1, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 4, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. So this is called the difference. So the difference goes as the first addend. 2, 3, 3, 1, 3. And the subtrahend goes as the second addend. 3, 1, 4, 5, 1. Now let's add. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. So the answers are verified. Second problem, let's subtract. 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 7. Let's borrow from hundreds place since 5 is smaller than 7. 4 becomes 3 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 5, 4 is smaller number, so let's borrow from the 10,000s position. 6 becomes 5, 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. Now the difference as the first addend. Subtrahend as the second addend. See, it's a 5-digit number. So you have to start writing from the 10,000s position. You have to be careful with it, children. Now let us add. 3 plus 0, 3. 8 plus 7, 15. 1 to the carryover. 0 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 to the carryover. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 0, 8. So check the minuend and the sum. 864453. Here also 864453. Hence the sum is correct. Subtract and check your answer. So first of all, Let us write this in columns and then subtract. See children, it's a 4-digit number. The subtrahend is a 4-digit number, so it should start from the thousands place. Don't make mistakes in it. Now let's subtract. Ones place, 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 3, 2 is a smaller number, so let's borrow. 3 becomes 2 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Now let's add. So difference comes first. 10,930. The subtrahend comes second. 2,323. Now let's add. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 to the carryover. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And 1 plus 0, 1. So 13,253. 13,253. Last sum. 4,52,727 minus 2,53,764. First, let's write in column. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 6 is not possible, so let us borrow. 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 7, which is not possible. Let us borrow from the thousands place. So 2 becomes 1 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7, 9. 1 minus 3. Again it is not possible. So let's borrow from the 10,000s place. 5 becomes 4 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 4 minus 5. 4 is smaller number. So let's borrow from the lakhs position. So this 4 becomes 3 and this one becomes 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 3 minus 2, 1. Now let's check. 1,98,963 plus 2,53,764. Let's add now. 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 to the carryover. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 1 to the carryover. 8 plus 3, 11. Plus 1, 12. 1 to the carryover. 9 plus 5, 14. Plus 1, 15. 1 to the carryover. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 1, 4. 4,52,727. 4,52,727. Hence the sum is correct. With this, we come to the end of the video with a math activity. Thank you, children.